Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to many of our hearts: chicken. Specifically, we're going to explore why chicken is a fantastic food choice and how it can be beneficial to our health. But first, let's dig into why chicken tastes so good. First and foremost, chicken is an excellent source of lean protein. One medium-sized chicken breast contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. In addition to protein, chicken is also a great source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, niacin, and selenium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, supporting brain function, and promoting overall well-being. Now, let's talk flavor. Chicken has a mild and lean taste that's perfect for a variety of dishes. It's versatile, can be prepared in numerous ways, and can be paired with a myriad of ingredients to create mouth-watering dishes. From grilling and frying to baking and slow cooking, there's a recipe out there for everyone. But what truly sets chicken apart is its incredible versatility. From grilling and frying to baking and slow cooking, there's a recipe out there for everyone. So, why not make chicken a staple in your diet? It's nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare. Plus, by incorporating chicken into your meal planning, you're also giving yourself the opportunity to experiment with new flavors and dishes. So, go ahead and enjoy a delicious chicken meal. And remember that it's not just about the meat, it's about the whole experience.